I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by positioning the Audi Q5 straight toward a wall at 7.6 m. This standard distance makes aiming repeatable. Turn on the low beams and let them warm so output stabilizes, then mark the centerline and headlight center on the wall with tape. Remove any trim or covers to expose the vertical and horizontal adjuster screws. Use Torx or wrench as required. Doing this gives you clear reference points and immediate access, which speeds accurate adjustment and prevents repeated trial and error. Once your marks are set, measure the headlight center height and put a horizontal line at that height and another at 1/10 lower to account for beam drop. Start with vertical adjustment. Rotate the vertical screw to bring the brightest cutoff to the 1/10 lower line. Small quarter turns matter because LEDs move quickly. Then use the horizontal screw to center the hotspot on the headlight center mark. After each adjustment step, step back. Observe the beam on the wall and repeat until both height and lateral position are correct. When the beams match the wall targets, secure all covers and trim, then test on a real road at night to confirm glare-free illumination and proper range. Make sure to check with a passenger and on different inclines. Adaptive systems can self-correct but may need a reset. Turn the ignition off and on, then cycle the leveling switch if present. If the beam jumps or won't hold, inspect fuses and leveling sensors. Persistent faults usually require dealer diagnostic tools to correct motorized or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.